Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kzyne, and for today's video we are going to be doing another unboxing, and this time this is the Jeffree Star Mystery Box Winter Edition. So this is actually the size 2, which is the premium box. So he has a mini, premium, deluxe, and supreme. So to be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be this small, because I'm pretty sure the last time there was only 3 sizes, I think, and I bought the second one and it was way bigger than this one. But it did say that it contains 5 items and the value is $128, and I bought it for $60. So yeah. Okay, let's open this. It's kind of heavy a little bit, but I didn't have to put a size, not like the deluxe and the supreme where you have to put a size for obviously a shirt or whatever merch is in there. But for this one I didn't, so I'm not expecting any clothes in here. I haven't seen any spoilers, so this is exciting. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm already excited. I see a beanie. Is it a beanie? Oh my god, it's so cute! It's a Jeffree Star beanie, and the pink. I love pink. So I don't usually wear Jeffree Star merch, just because, I don't know. But I love his makeup. That's why I got this box. So I didn't really mind not having merch in here, but this one, I think I could wear this. I will wear this because it's pink and it's cute. It looks kind of huge. It looks humongous, but yeah, that's that. Let's see the texture. Ooh, feels good. So that's the details. And then it has the pom-pom up here. It's so cute, you guys. Let's try it. I don't want to put... No, never mind. I don't want to put a foundation in it because it's white. Okay, that's the first item. Now let's go to the second item. There's a set of straw. It looks like that. Okay, now I already have this. So I got this from the last mystery box that I bought, which is the Halloween, I think, of 2019. And I did get this, so I might do a giveaway, and I might include this over there. So yeah, these are metal straws. It comes in 3 curved ones and 1 straight, and it comes with a cleaner. This is really good because, you know, save turtles. Okay, now let's go to the third item. So it's Celebrity Skin. This is one of the iconic ones. So it's a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. And let's check the color. It's a very pretty nude. Okay. I like it. I feel like the only time I get Jeffree Star items are when there's bundles, because I never really buy individually. The fourth item is the gloss. So this is in the shade, ooh, thank me, you little naughty. Okay, so I don't know what the color is for this. So, oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh, I can't even get it because of my nails. my god. It's very neat. Sorry guys, I like opening it in the bottom because I don't like ripping the top part. I'm one of those people. Oh my god. I'm definitely keeping this. Oh my god, this is just like the perfect pink. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Okay. Ah, I love it. Okay, now let's get to the last item. I feel like because of the packaging, it looks like a vase. Oh, it's so heavy. I feel like because of this, I already know what this is. This is a palette in collaboration with SD. I forgot his name. The one that has a YouTube channel too that he collaborated with is the controversial one. I know it. Oh, it's Shane Dawson, I think. Yeah, because of the packaging. Oh, let's see. I'd be surprised if that's this because I've heard this was like really hard to get since it's sold out anywhere, but I don't know if it was still hard to get after the controversy that happened. Oh yes, it is the conspiracy palette. What? Damn. Oh my god. Wow, the packaging, girl. I've never had one of his palettes that has this, like the red something and the blue something. They all have this in their packaging, but this is my first time owning one. But look at that though. And then in the back, it's just... Okay, let's open it. Damn, it's so nice. Every color has its own design. How am I supposed to use this? I wouldn't want to touch it. It's so pretty. I really love this one. There's only one that I already have, which is the straw that I just might put in a giveaway, but everything else, I'm so happy. I love the lip gloss. Obviously it's pink and sparkly. I love the beanie because the Jeffree star isn't like overpowering and it has a touch of pink in it, and then the liquid lipstick is also an iconic color. Lastly, this palette. I was not expecting this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox all of these goodies. I hope you guys are staying healthy and well and safe. And again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, and enjoy the bloopers, guys. Botaste. Tinatakpan ko. Alexa, stop music. Jeez. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Am I gonna... It went blank right away. Okay. And this time it is the Jeffree Star holiday clock. I don't even know what I'm unboxing. Tagalte. Oh. Every color has it. That's my palette. I mean, that's my palette. That's my one. I'm so cold. And I hope you enjoyed. So that's it for today's video, guys. And I hope you are having fun. Happy holidays, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh my god, what? Like, okay. No, what? No, what? No, what? Okay, I want to film these. I want to film these. Or down in the comments. Not like they freaking care. Oh god, I want Chipotle. I feel like they're home. I feel like they're home. I feel like they're home. Why am I like this? It's 5:47 p.m. and I haven't ate anything. Yay!